In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Strategy Tester in MetaTrader 5, Backtest EA. Backtesting lets you see how an expert advisor would have performed on historical price data before you risk real money. We'll walk through the Strategy Tester in MetaTrader 5 so you can set up a clean, meaningful test. Start by opening the Strategy Tester. In MT5, go to the View menu and choose Strategy Tester, or simply press Ctrl+R. A panel will appear, usually along the bottom of your platform, dedicated to testing and optimization. Next, pick what you want to test and the basic conditions. In the Tested Object area, select Expert Advisor and choose your EA from the list. Then choose the symbol, like ERUSD or any market you plan to trade. Set the time frame that matches how the EA is designed to operate, whether that's 1 minute, 1 hour, or another interval. Finally, choose the period, which is the historical date range for the test. Longer ranges provide more data, while shorter windows can help you focus on a specific market regime. Now choose the testing model, which controls accuracy versus speed. Every tick is the most precise simulated approach. Every tick based on real ticks is even better when your broker's tick data is available. 1 minute OHLC runs faster with moderate accuracy. Open Prices only runs the fastest, but provides a rough estimate. For results you can trust, use every tick based on real ticks whenever it's available. Otherwise, pick every tick. If your EA has configurable settings, open the Inputs tab. Here you can adjust things like lot size, stop loss, take profit, and risk parameters. It's often smart to start with the EA's default inputs, run a baseline test, and then change one variable at a time so you understand what truly affects performance. If you'd like to watch how trades unfold, enable visual mode before you run the test. This launches a playback chart so you can see entries, exits, and indicators as the historical data progresses. You can also control the playback speed to quickly skim or slow down around key moments. When everything looks right, click Start. MetaTrader 5 will simulate trades over the period you selected using the model and inputs you chose. That's all there is to setting up a reliable backtest in the MT5 Strategy Tester. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clear picture of how your EA behaves under different conditions before taking it live.